10 inspiring ways to boost your income in 2024. You guys, we're talking about financial freedom today, and let me tell you, this is personal for me. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work, hustling, and building a life you're obsessed with. We're diving deep into 10 powerful ways to boost your income this year. No BS, just real, actionable advice. Get ready to get fired up. Chapter 1, Best Side Hustles for Beginners. In today's world, having a side hustle isn't just a trend, it's almost a necessity. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just have some extra spending money, a side hustle can be a game changer. Look, everyone's got a side hustle in them. It's all about finding what you're passionate about and turning that into a source of income. The beauty of a side hustle is that it can be as flexible as you need it to be. You could be freelancing, writing blogs, designing logos, whatever you're good at. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for freelancers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients from all over the globe. There's someone out there willing to pay for your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even voiceover work. There's a market for it. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your home or even a cozy cafe. Don't believe me? Over 39% of Americans have a side hustle now. That's a significant portion of the population finding ways to supplement their income. And it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and flexibility that comes with it. They're making an average of $500 extra a month. Imagine what you could do with an extra $500. Pay off bills, save for a rainy day, or even treat yourself to something special. That's real money, people. Tutoring is another great option. If you have a knack for teaching, you can help students excel in subjects like math, science, or English. And the best part, you can set your own rates and schedule. You're good at math, English, help some kids out and make bank doing it. Parents are always looking for qualified tutors to help their children succeed academically. And with the rise of online tutoring platforms, you can reach students from all over the world. The average tutor makes $25 an hour, and the demand is only growing. With more parents seeking extra help for their kids, tutoring is a side hustle with a lot of potential. And hey, if you're crafty, Etsy is your jam. Whether you make jewelry, candles, or custom artwork, there's a market for handmade goods. People love unique, one-of-a-kind items that they can't find in stores. People are making thousands selling handmade jewelry, candles, you name it. The key is to find your niche and create products that stand out. With a little creativity and marketing, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Don't underestimate the power of a unique product. In a world of mass-produced items, people are willing to pay a premium for something that's truly special. So if you have a talent for crafting, why not turn it into a side hustle? The key here is to start small, pick something you enjoy, and hustle your face off. It's not going to be easy, but with dedication and hard work, you can make it happen. Remember, every successful business started as a small idea. The internet has made it easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. No excuses. With the right mindset and a bit of effort, you can create a side hustle that not only brings in extra income, but also brings you joy and fulfillment. So, what are you waiting for? Start your side hustle journey today. Chapter 2, How to Start an Online Business. Starting an online business is like the ultimate side hustle, right? It's a way to turn your passion into profit, and the best part is you can do it from anywhere. Whether you're at a cozy cafe, a bustling park, or even your own backyard, the possibilities are endless. But it's not as daunting as you think. With the right mindset and tools, you can transform your ideas into a thriving online business. It's all about taking that first step and believing in your vision. First, you've got to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What problem can you solve? Identifying your niche is crucial because it helps you stand out in a crowded market. Think about what excites you and where your skills lie. Do your research, find your audience, and build something incredible. Understanding your target audience's needs and preferences will guide you in creating products or services that truly resonate with them. Next up, you need a website. It's your online storefront, your 24/7 salesperson. Your website should reflect your brand's personality and values. It's where potential customers will learn about you and what you offer. Make it sleek, make it user-friendly, and make sure it showcases your brand. A well-designed website can make a lasting impression and encourage visitors to become loyal customers. Then marketing, baby. Social media, content marketing, email lists, You've got to get the word out there. Effective marketing strategies will help you reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Engage with your audience, build relationships, and watch your business grow. Interacting with your customers and responding to their feedback can foster a strong community around your brand. E-commerce is booming, guys. In 2023, it hit over $5 trillion globally. This growth presents a massive opportunity for new entrepreneurs to tap into the market and make their mark. There's never been a better time to jump in and build your empire. With dedication, creativity, and the right strategies, you can turn your online business dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Start today and watch your business flourish. Chapter 3, dropshipping. Is it worth it? Dropshipping, everyone's talking about it, right? It's a low-risk, low-investment way to get into e-commerce. You sell products online, but you don't hold any inventory. The supplier handles all the shipping and logistics. Sounds amazing, right? And it can be. You can start with little to no money and scale quickly, and this is a big but, you've got to be smart about it. Competition is fierce, margins can be low, and you're relying on someone else to handle your customer service. Do your research, find reliable suppliers, and build a strong brand to stand out.
Passive income, the holy grail, right? Making money while you sleep? Sign me up. But let's be real, it still takes work, at least upfront. Investing in the stock market is a classic. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and let your money work for you long term. Real estate is another solid option. Rental income can provide consistent cash flow, but it requires capital and market knowledge. Creating digital products is huge right now. Ebooks, online courses, templates, these can generate passive income for years to come. The key is to create high-quality content that provides real value.
You guys, everyone has valuable skills, whether you realize it or not. And guess what? You can monetize them. Writing, graphic design, coding, these are in high demand. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easier than ever to find clients and get paid for your expertise. If you're a people person, coaching or consulting could be your jam. Help others achieve their goals and get paid for your guidance. The gig economy is booming, and there's never been a better time to be your own boss. Don't undervalue yourself. Know your worth, set your rates, and go after what you deserve.
All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room: freelancing versus the 9-to-5 grind. This is a debate that has been going on for years, and it's not going to end anytime soon. Both have their own unique sets of advantages and challenges. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what works for you. Your personality, your career goals, and your lifestyle preferences all play a huge role in determining which path might be better suited for you. Freelancing gives you freedom and flexibility. You can choose your projects, set your own deadlines, and work from virtually anywhere in the world. Imagine working from a beach one day and a cozy mountain cabin the next. You're your own boss, you set your own hours, and you can work from anywhere. This level of autonomy can be incredibly empowering and can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. But it also requires discipline, self-motivation, and hustle. Without a structured environment, it's easy to get distracted or procrastinate. You need to be organized and manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and keep clients happy. You're responsible for finding your own clients, managing your time, and handling your own finances. This can be stressful and overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out and trying to build a reputation. The 9-to-5 provides stability and security. You have a clear structure, a defined role, and a steady income. This can be very reassuring, especially if you have a family to support or financial commitments. You have a regular paycheck, benefits, and a structured work environment. These perks can include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, which are often not available to freelancers. But it can also feel limiting, unfulfilling, and, let's be honest, soul-crushing at times. The routine can become monotonous, and the lack of flexibility can make it hard to pursue personal interests or spend time with loved ones. The key is to weigh the pros and cons and decide what aligns with your values and goals. Whether you choose freelancing or a 9-to-5 job, make sure it's a decision that supports your overall happiness and well-being.
Listen up, entrepreneurs. You don't need a ton of money to scale your business. You need creativity, hustle, and a whole lot of heart. Social media is your best friend. It's free, it's powerful, and it can reach millions of potential customers. Create engaging content, build a strong brand, and watch your following grow. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, connect with other entrepreneurs, and build relationships that can help you grow your business. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams.
Chapter 8. Digital products that sell well. Digital products are hot. They're easy to create, they have low overhead costs, and they can generate passive income for years to come. Ebooks are a classic. Share your knowledge, tell your story, or create a fictional world that will captivate readers. Online courses are another great option. Teach people valuable skills and help them achieve their goals. Templates, stock photos, and software are also in high demand. The key is to identify a need in the market and create a high-quality product that provides real value. Chapter 9. Success stories of famous entrepreneurs. Let's be real, we all need a little inspiration sometimes. So let's talk about some of the greats, the ones who started with nothing and built empires. Elon Musk, the guy's a visionary. From PayPal to Tesla to SpaceX, he's disrupting industries and changing the world. Oprah Winfrey, talk about overcoming adversity. She went from poverty and hardship to become a media mogul and one of the most influential women in the world. These stories prove that anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in yourself.
Chapter 10. The basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like the ultimate side hustle. You promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale you make. It's a great way to monetize your website, blog, or social media following. First, you gotta find a niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you believe in? Then, find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. Once you've joined a program, you'll get unique affiliate links to share with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple.
Take control of your future. There you have it, folks. 10 powerful ways to boost your income and take control of your financial future. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about putting in the work, hustling, and building a life you're obsessed with. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's create a movement of empowered individuals who are taking control of their lives and building the future they deserve. I believe in you.